Hi, I'm Dr. Jacob Hertz, founder of the St. Charles Pain and Wellness Center. I started this center to help people live happier, healthier lives through chiropractic care. Throughout our lives, we all experience mechanical pain. We have accidents and injuries, traumas, or sometimes postural strains that show up in the form of lower back pain, neck pain, headaches, or even digestive problems. If these problems aren't addressed properly, they can become chronic or potentially permanent. It's our mission to improve your health. Together, we'll discuss your history and evaluate your current complaints. Every body is unique, so we'll start with a structural fingerprint exam. We'll look at your entire structure from head to toe, and if necessary, take digital x-rays. After that, we usually recommend chiropractic care, therapeutic exercise, massage therapy, electric muscle stimulation, orthotics, and nutrition. We find the combination of these therapies help maintain lasting results. If you're experiencing pain, give the clinic a call today and we'll help you get back to enjoying your life.